So next topic is add to receipt. So far what we done, we created a new receipt, right? Whenever we go and give the PO number and generate a receiving activity, like when we save the forms, then it is generated a new receipt. Okay, it is generated a new receipt. So in add to receipt functionality, maybe such some scenarios where the business want to have a single receipt only for entire PO. Okay. For example, the PO created with 100, supplier supplied is this month on 50 quantity. Okay. Next month remaining 50 quantity is going to send us. But when he doing remaining 50 quantity PO receiving, he don't want to generate a new receipt number. You want to utilize old receipt number only, like existing receipt number only. He want to utilize. Okay, he want to utilize. So in that case, so how do you go on receiving activity? By using existing receipt. Like you're doing a receipt today, but you are allocating that receipt details to the existing receipt number. Okay, existing receipt number. So when I say number, these are all numbers, right? When you see starting from requisition, RFQ quotations, and POs, all these numbers for what purpose? For tracking purpose, correct? So in the same way, receipt number also, PO receipt number also. Okay. So in this case, what I need is I want a scenario. I want a scenario where it is like, so PO quantity is this first month shipped on first month. Okay, after PO release 50. Second month. So in second month he is shipped to 50. Sorry, 50. Okay. So PO number is this. PO number. PO number. Maybe we have created, right, 40032. PO number is 40032 or 333 will, I think next number is 33, right? 33. And receipt number, even though they are supplying multiple times, they want to have single receipt number. Okay, I think 5007. They want to have single receipt number. Okay, single receipt number. Even though the supplier is supplying multiple times, they want to have single receipt number. Okay. If supplier is supplied a single time 100 quantity, then it is okay. System will generate only single receipt number. But he is applying multiple times, and when you go and do receipt creation, right, it will generate two different receipt numbers. The business don't want that. They want to use existing receipt number. They want to add the latest transaction to the existing receipt number. Okay. So this is the requirement. So let's go and see. Let's go and see this scenario. First, what I'll do, I'll go and create a PO with 100. Okay, 400332. Copy document. Quickly create, make it approve. Okay, 40033 is created. With this is 100 quantity. Now, just assume I am doing the first month. After PO creation, the first month I'm doing a receiving activity with 50. Okay, with 50. So 50 quantity I'm doing a receiving. 50 quantity. Save it. Save it. Click on receipt number. See, 5007 receipt number is generated. Okay, Fine. It is exactly matching to even our pure number example also. Okay, fine. Now, now let's go on to, since it is standard, right? You have to do receiving also. Okay, 40033. Enable this and select the sub inventory. Select the sub inventory, save it. Okay, it's keep on coming lot. I'll go on disable lot. Okay, later. Let's see. It's a 50 quantity. Okay, done. So 5007 is done. So now just assume after like second month, the first month after pure release, like after pure creation, the first month supplier is supplied 50. So after second month, he's going to supply another 50 quantity. So another 50 quantity, I don't want to generate a new receipt. I don't want to generate a new receipt. So just give here PO number 40033. Find 40033, right? Find it. What happened? What happened? 40033. What happened? It is not showing me. 50 quantity, right? Okay, it's closed for receiving. Something close, receiving closed tolerance is applied. Okay, that's okay. What I'll do is I'll go and open it. Okay, so it is closed for receiving. That's the reason it is remaining quantity is not showing up there. Okay, fine. That's okay. So that is our next topic actually. Close for receiving. Okay, close for receiving. Just go and open. Go to controls, tools, controls. I'll open. Okay, I'll open here. Open for receiving. Okay, open for receiving. Just recording. Okay, fine. Now it is open. Okay, now it is open. Fine. If you want to see, just go and click on this, open shipments, and go to the statuses. See, now it is okay. It's null now. Okay, fine. Close this. Now go to the receiving. Now what I'm doing is, I'm going to do in the next month receiving activity, just assume, but I'm going to utilize the same receipt number. I'm not going to do generate new receipt. Find it. So once you find it, so this is the pop-up will come, right? This is the pop-up receipt headers. So default it will come new receipt. Okay. Defaultly it will come new receipt. It means that new receipt will be created. So behind this, if you see beside this, if you see add to receipt. So this is something like you're doing a receipt activity today, but you are using existing receipt number. You don't want to generate new receipt number. Okay. So just add this, enable this. So when you enable this, it will ask you to select receipt number. So what is the receipt number? 5007. This is my receipt number. Okay. Enter. See, this you cannot select manually here. It's a grayed out field, right? Okay. You have to select this and it will ask you to select the receipt number. Okay. Now come to this page. Come to this page, enable this. Enable this and then save it. Save it. Okay. If you see, just so this is the receipt number only. Okay. Just simple concepts. Now we go, give the receipt number, find, select this, select sub inventory. Now select lot, generate a lot, 50 quantity. Okay, save it. So now what happened? against a single receipt number. Okay, even my supplier is supplied multiple times, I have maintained only single receipt number against the PO. Okay, you can go and check here with receipt number or with the PO number you check. Anything is fine. Okay, with PO number you can check. PO number is 40033. 40033. Just click on transaction lines. Now you can see the differentiation. This is the date. If you notice, if you notice, yeah, fine. So if you notice here, this is we performed at 7-2. This is 7-3. Okay. But if you notice this one and this one, between these two records and these two records, you would able to see the different timing difference, right? So it's around 3 minutes gap, correct? So in a similar way, you can also be having 1 month also, maybe here December, 25th December can be possible. Okay, you are using existing receipt number. Got it? So that is the functionality of add to receipt. So it may come like scenario based interview questions will come here. Okay, scenario based interview questions will come here. The same way, see, my buyer want to have or receiver want to have a single receipt number for entire PO. He don't want to create new receipt numbers. Okay, he don't want to create new receipt numbers. So in that case, and again, if supplier is supplied in single time, it very much possible single receipt will create. But supplier is supplying in durations. Okay, maybe 15 days once he is delivering some products. Okay, 15 days once he is delivering some products, or monthly he is delivering the products. Okay, so in that case, how do we maintain our single receipt number? So by using add to receipt, you can maintain. But again, the receiver has to choose the receipt number against which receipt number you want to go and add and do receiving activity. Okay, so everyone clear?
Shiva, is it possible to add more, receive more quantity against the PO quantity? If once it is closed, PO, it will reach the PO quantity, then it will close, right?
Yeah, it will close. It will close. If it
Yeah,
is
yeah,
like,
okay.
for if example, if 100 quantity were created and you have received 100, it will close. Further they
Yeah,
cannot. Further they cannot. So we have seen, right, it is closed automatically because we may given the receipt close tolerance percentage some huge percentage. That's the reason. Okay.
yeah,
Anyhow, that is our
okay,
next topic. We'll go and see.
yeah.
Okay. Quickly, everyone, please join. We'll discuss next topic. Pure receipt close tolerance. Okay. I think something I marked it as here. We'll see this one whether it is working or not. Okay. Fine. I'll stop recording.